Have you ever found yourself caught in the never-ending cycle of negative thoughts, constantly battling with anxiety, stress, and a lack of abundance in your life? Well, you're not alone. In today's video, we dare to delve into the depth of your mind, unlocking the true power that lies within. We'll explore the untapped potential of thought and its profound influence on creating your reality and nourishing your spiritual health. Suppose you wake up every morning to a life filled with joy, abundance, and fulfillment. Your thoughts effortlessly shape the world around you, manifesting your deepest desires into reality. But how is this possible? How can you transform your thoughts into manifestations that surpass your wildest dreams? Get ready to embark on a transformative journey as we unveil the secrets to harnessing the power of positive thinking and reprogramming your subconscious mind. You'll discover how each thought holds the key to manifesting a reality that aligns with your highest vision. It's time to take control of your thoughts and shape a future that exceeds your expectation. But that's not all. We'll also reveal how tapping into the hour of God can lead to an abundance beyond your imagination. Envision your life filled with prosperity, love, and spiritual growth as you align yourself with divine energy during this sacred time. Prepare to uncover the hidden mysteries that lie within your mind and soul and witness the incredible transformations that await you. It's time to break free from the limitations of negative thinking and embark on a path towards ultimate fulfillment. If you're ready to discover the true potential of your thoughts and experience the power of positive manifestation, then hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay connected to our empowering content, guiding you towards a life filled with abundance, joy, and spiritual enlightenment. Alright, let's begin. Let's explore some key insights that can help us understand the fascinating connection between power of thought and its profound impact on creating our reality and nurturing our spiritual health. Friends, our thoughts have incredible power. They shape our present experiences and lay the foundation for our future. Each thought we have contributed to the overall tapestry of our reality. We possess the remarkable gift of free will, which allows us to consciously create our own reality through our thoughts. By directing our thoughts towards positive beliefs and envisioning the outcomes we desire, we can manifest a reality that aligns with our deepest aspirations. It's essential to recognize that our outer reality is a reflection of our inner thoughts and beliefs. If we harbor negative thoughts or doubts, it becomes challenging to attract positive experiences into our lives. By nurturing positive and empowering thoughts, we create the necessary environment for growth and transformation. The power of thought lies not only in the beliefs themselves, but in the emotions and feelings we attach to them. When we truly believe in something with unwavering conviction and infuse it with genuine emotion, it amplifies the energy of that thought, making it even more potent. God, the universal consciousness, is interested in our present state rather than our past mistakes or history. Our current thoughts and beliefs shape the reality we experience. By focusing on improving our thoughts in the present moment, we open ourselves to a path of spiritual growth and divine alignment. True health stems from having a happy and nourished mind. When we actively cultivate positive thoughts and maintain a state of inner peace and joy, our physical and emotional well-being can thrive. It's not external circumstances that dictate our health, but our inner state of being that profoundly impacts our overall wellness. Let me share a story that illustrates the principle that health comes from having a happy mind, not the other way around. Once upon a time, there was a woman named Sarah. She had always considered herself to be healthy, physically fit, and free from any major illnesses. However, as she navigated through the challenges of life, Sarah began to experience a growing sense of unhappiness and stress. Sarah's mind became consumed with negative thoughts and worries, leading her to feel constantly anxious and overwhelmed. This took a toll on her overall well-being. She started experiencing frequent headaches, low energy levels, and a general sense of unease. Concerned by her declining health, Sarah visited several doctors hoping for a quick fix to her physical ailment. She underwent numerous tests and medical examinations, but no significant medical issues were found. The doctors concluded that her symptoms were likely linked to stress and suggested finding ways to improve her mental and emotional well-being. Determined to regain her health, Sarah began exploring different practices and techniques to cultivate a happier mind. She started incorporating mindfulness and meditation into her daily routine, focusing on negative thought patterns and replacing them with positive affirmation. Gradually, she began to shift her perspective and started finding joy in the simplest of things. As Sarah dedicated more time to developing a happy and peaceful mind, she noticed something remarkable. Her physical health began to improve steadily. The headaches diminished, her energy levels soared, and she felt an overall sense of vitality and well-being. Puzzled by her transformation, Sarah realized that her mental state held the key to her physical health. Once she embraced a mindset of positivity, her body responded positively as well. She understood that true health was not merely the absence of physical ailments, but a holistic balance of mind, body, and spirit. Sarah's story serves as a powerful reminder that our mental and emotional state plays a vital role in our overall health. By nurturing a happy mind, we create fertile ground for physical well-being to flourish. It's a testament to the intricate connection between our thoughts, emotions, and our physical body. External distractions and attachments can hinder our spiritual development if we allow them to consume our thoughts and energy. By understanding that ultimate fulfillment lies within, we can detach ourselves from the temporary pleasures and distractions of the material world, remaining focused on our spiritual journey. Depression often begins within the confines of our own consciousness. It starts with repetitive thoughts and beliefs rooted in negativity and despair. And with that, we have reached the end of our enlightening journey together. We've explored powerful insights that can transform our lives and lead us towards a path of abundance and spiritual growth. Friends, in addition to what we have discussed, the Hour of God is a sacred and crucial event where we connect deeply with the divine. Remember to dedicate at least 5 minutes or more, if needed, to this special time each day. Making the Hour of God the center of your daily activities will ensure spiritual growth. Prioritize it over other engagements and jobs, for it is in this connection that we find true peace and guidance. During this sacred hour, immerse yourself in the reading of scriptures, meditation, and heartfelt prayer. Let your intentions be focused on health, happiness, prosperity, and spiritual growth on your life journey. If you found value in this video, we kindly ask you to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Your support helps us continue spreading these empowering messages. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment section below. Share your experiences, insights, and any questions you may have. Your engagement enriches our community and fosters further growth. Until we meet again in our next video, keep embracing the power within and continue manifesting a life of abundance and purpose.